Hi. Hey, I don't have enough room in my garage to house my tractors, so I made little covers for each one of them. And I'll take some pictures of each tractor and the covers, and then I'll give you an explanation why I did this. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's a little plastic bottle. I cut the end off, and I drilled a hole in it and slid it down over the stick shift, and then I put some silicone around there to seal it. Because on all these old tractors, what happens is when they're sitting out in the rain gets on the stick shift and runs right into the transmission. That's the reason I'm putting these covers on all my small tractors, plus to keep them out of my way in the garage. On this one, what I did to seal it was I unscrewed the handle, and the shaft here is about 3/8 of an inch. So what I did, I took an old uh, car automobile inner tube, and I cut a round piece out of the inner tube about 5 inches diameter and put about a 1/4 inch hole in the center of it and pulled it tight down around the shaft to cover the top of the transmission so no rain could get in the gearbox. When I got this tractor, the gearbox apparently is full of water for years and years. Every bearing in there was rusted solid, so I had to get new bearings for it, and that was quite a chore. I had to get those off of eBay and look them up. And then after I got the transmission rebuilt, I realized that Meguiar Bearing in Portland and Tacoma carried all the bearings I needed for probably half the price. So if you're working on a John Deere 110 gearbox and need new bearings, call Meguiar Bearing and they can help you out.